Good morning, everybody. Just want to start off the vlog by saying Merry Christmas to all of you, or Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you guys celebrated. But other than that, today's just going to be a pretty chill day. I'm just waiting for the boy Dean to pull up because we're planning to have a photo shoot, but as you can see, the MR2 is looking pretty filthy. It did rain these past 2 days, so me and Dean are planning to go to the self-car wash and give both our cars just a quick wash before the photo shoot. Here he is now. What's good, bro?
What's up, bro?
Oh. Now that the boy's here, we're about to just go to the car wash, so I'll just see you guys then. Just made it to the wash. There's Dean. There's the MR2 looking all dirty and shit. Dude, my fitment's so ass. I need. Oh. But look what my mom plugged me with. Hella quarters. My mom gave me a stupid quarter. Follow the IG. But yeah, we about to get it going. MR2's finally clean. Dean's just taking a few pictures and we're about to head off to T's and T when he's all done. Damn, look at that gloss. We're not at T's and T yet, but Dean just took me to a spot. He says they have something for sale here. Okay, we got some fox bodies. Oh my god! Oh my god! What the f?
Dude,
What the f?
selling it for 8,000.
Dude!
8K.
Dude! What the hell? What? Dude, what the fuck? Dude, this is project car. Dude, oh my god. That's crazy.
Dude, he said that it's been sitting here for like a decade.
Oh my god. Dude, buy this. Hey, that's crazy. So basically, that's just an FD sitting here in Brentwood.
For like a decade.
It's been here for like a decade. They're selling it for $8 grand. Dude, buy it. Boom. We here. And what do we see? The f? What the f? That's me.
Before they have a, I think they have a Bentley.
Yeah, they just have a Lambo chilling here. That's kind of
Now
mean.
it's
Damn.
Number 48.
Got our drinks.
Huh?
Now we about.
Huh?
Now we go to the spot. Huh? We just got to the first spot. A little simple spot. These better have me hold this.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I don't even know what happened just now. I was trying to open my door to get something, and this pin flew out of my door thing, and now I can't close my door all the way. Does it just go back in or what?
it will.
That's so weird. I think we're done with this spot. Got some hella dope pictures. Ooh, dang, that looks nice. We're about to move on to a new spot. It's just down the street. But yeah, I'll just update you guys when we get there. Bro, this dude's hella stupid. Look at this dude. It's all the way up there. Look at where he made me brick my car, bro. We're about to get in trouble. Hella people looking at us hella sus. Hey, but this is a really good spot though, not even gonna lie. Yo! Dude, this spot looks amazing. What the f?
Bro, can you move your car like that?
You're kidding me! So I'm guessing this railroad doesn't work anymore?
No, it doesn't work anymore, bro.
Yeah, that's kind of
rust, bro.
Yeah, that's kind of messed up right
Yeah,
there. This is cool though. Dean's just importing all the pictures, but I had to share with you guys this view. Look at the sky. Bro, the sky looks crazy. What?
Bro, I have 542 pictures.
Jeez, we took hella
for
pictures
today, bro.
Dang. I can't post all of these. If you guys don't already follow my car account, follow it. It'll be right here. Oh, follow Dean too. His account will be right here. that pretty much sums it up for the daylight shoots. We're about to go get some pho. We're about to get some pho and then pho. How do you say it? Pho.
Pho.
Yeah, we're about to go get some pho. And then we're about to go take some nighttime pics. So I'll see you guys when we go get food. We here. Parked right where? Oh, I could have. Wow. Hold my camera.
Alright, let me just pull the garbage out.
Look, I just flipped the switch. I don't know nobody else is doing this. Body start to drop.
Yeah.
Hey.
We're at
Pho. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we about to grub. Yeah.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I'm stuffed. I couldn't even finish it. This dude chowed down.
It's kind of the truck on the way down.
We're just trying to figure out like where to take our next pictures, set of pictures. I want to get some nighttime pics, but. Just got to the next spot. Where's Dean? Oh, there he is. Taking some flicks all the way up there. What? Oh, that's awkward.
You're making it worse.
No, I'm not.
Yes. Like, okay. Look at here.
It's been like that. All right, what do you think? Are we done for the day? We're done for the day?
Yeah.
All right, guys. That pretty much wraps it up for the vlog. Follow the boy Dean on Instagram. What else?
What? Huh?
Now we
Huh?
Stupid. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Be sure to like, because this dude's an idiot, and, and subscribe.